Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics: battery charged and headset positioned correctly. Hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn it on. You'll see a blue blink confirming power. Once done, wear it so the microphone boom sits about 1 to 2 centimeters from your mouth for clear voice pickup. Make sure ambient noise is minimized because the microphone uses directional pickup. You're ready to move into pairing and device setup next, which connects audio and call controls. You now pair the headset to your phone or computer. Put the headset into Bluetooth pairing mode by holding the Bluetooth button until the LED alternates blue and red. This signals discoverability. On your device, select the Blue Parrot model name and accept pairing prompts or codes. Once paired, make sure audio and call permissions are enabled in the device's Bluetooth settings so media and calls route through the headset. If you use multiple devices, use multi-point mode to maintain connections simultaneously. You handle calls and media using on-headset buttons. Press the multi-function button to answer or end calls and adjust volume with the dedicated controls. You should use noise cancel features or install firmware updates because they directly improve microphone clarity and connection stability. If audio drops or pairing fails, restart the headset and your device. If that fails, repair. As a final troubleshooting tip, perform a factory reset per the manual to clear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.